Hello everybody and welcome to the live stream right here Friday night Indonesia. We got some nice things to talk about in today's live stream, guys. And I know I've already published a nice daily upload today of 20 minutes with a well-explained view on the markets. I thought why not go live and why not do some charting together with you guys. So guys, for all people who are tuning in right now, make sure to scroll below this video and smash that like button. Let's get as much likes as possible right there in the immediate short-term time frame, so more and more people will join the stream. Guys, we have really interesting signs in the Bitcoin chart, so let me know, people who are entering the stream right now, share what you are doing, where you are. In the live chat, please, guys. Let me know what's going on. Let's first get the stream a little bit warmed up. Hello, Sylvia. Nice to have you in the stream. And guys, you won't guess what I'm drinking right now, but I'm actually drinking a coconut. Yo, Ben. Ben in the house. Nice. Awesome, guys. Awesome. We got Australia in the building. So guys, really make sure to smash the like button down below, because it really helps to get the stream a little bit more warmer and more people will tune in, because guys, what I have to say right now is going to be very important, because we might at the edge of a major rally in the Bitcoin price. So that is something, that is something I want to share with you. I'm going to say later, pump or dump, we are going to have a talk about that. Let's first give everybody some time to enter the stream, guys. Okay, we got Kuala Lumpur right here. We get good morning from Houston. We got Greece. We got Spain as well. Somebody from Holland who just wants to start right now. Hello, Jeroen. Greets from Holland. How are you doing? I'm doing good, Peter. I'm doing good. Thank you so much. I hope you're doing great too. How is Holland, by the way, guys, right now? Is the weather good? Is the spring already starting? Things are getting better there. In Philippines, it's 8:30. Wow, it's 8:30 right here in Indonesia too. BTC up or down? Well, we are going to have a look into that. We are going to have a look at it. Germany in the house. Hi all, in a few hours I might reach the moon. That would be awesome. Morning from Florida. Belgium in the house, guys. How many people are on the stream right now? We have 26 people. Let's make sure that all of that 26 people down below smash the like button, because it always takes time for YouTube to recognize these live streams and to push it to a bigger audience, right? So it's always important that in the beginning of the stream there's a lot of people who are smashing the like button, so the YouTube algorithm will pick it up quickly and push it out to as much people as possible. Because guys, what we are seeing right now is actually quite interesting. Bitcoin right now is just slowly increasing right here. We are just entering the weekend, so I don't expect any firework tomorrow or something yet. We might see something on Sunday, but not yet tomorrow. I'm just gonna share with you the signs that I'm watching in the chart and what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin. And I think guys, it's definitely worth it, and I can give you already some signs. I do think that Bitcoin is going to see if this signal is going to be met, then I think Bitcoin is going to start a new rally to the upside. Normally, when we say rally, we don't mean a rally to the downside. We call that a dump, right? So, when Bitcoin is going to do a couple of things right here, then we are going to start and rally. So we got nice weather here. Sun is shining. Okay, that's nice, Peter. Awesome to hear that, because the Dutch had a rough winter. We got Thijs in the building. Somebody from Twente, where I'm originally from. Maybe the Dutch people can hear that. Charlotte NC, ready to see big BTC pump. Evening from Tokyo. Good evening. Yes, a lot better. We had 4 seasons. Yeah, a lot of snow. Evening from Sri Lanka. Okay, guys, awesome. Hello from Hong Kong. Hello from Philippines. I think we have a lot of people from Philippines in the chat right now. No, but guys, I don't know what your favorite drink is normally, but it's quite funny. But right now I'm just sitting here in kind of a bar, but there is actually nobody. I might share a picture on my Instagram. You guys can see it there. But I'm drinking a coconut. My girlfriend got me a coconut, and I think in Holland it's impossible to get these coconuts. At least I never see them in Holland. But they are awesome. Sometimes they are so good. They can even function as a lunch or something. How's the surf been, bruh? Getting out there much? Well, I do surf a little bit. I do surf definitely, and yeah, also catching some waves. I try to go once a week, so that is good. That is good. We have sometimes crazy days right here where the waves are just going crazy, and when it's really too dangerous, I'm not going in. But yeah, Ben, would be awesome if you would come to Bali soon and we would be catching some waves. That would be awesome, man. That would be really cool. Hi from Malaysia. Hello from South Africa. Hello from The Hague. Hello from Spain. Okay, we got a lot of Dutch people in the chat as well. We got a hi from Philippines. Yes. Okay, guys. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, guys. That is going to, let's have a talk about what we are seeing before. Let me quick have a sneak peek. How many people are tuning in? 42 people on the stream right now, guys. Amazing, really awesome. Make sure everybody to hit that like button, and yeah, let's keep going right here. So most of you are familiar, if you have seen my today's upload, right? You have seen my signal right here on the RSI. We have a clear declining resistance, and this is normal in the bull market where the price is moving sideways and the RSI is going down. As long as the price is holding support, it's actually a bullish sign, guys, where the price is just consolidating, as we call that, while the RSI is actually resetting, creating space for another breakout bullish momentum. So that is actually something we want to see. However, this could be a bearish sign as well. If we were to break like a key support level, for example, then these divergences on the RSI, these are showing us that there might be some bearish momentum coming, but we are not seeing that in the price. So we are not seeing that bearish behavior in the price. So that is important to say. And what I've said in today's video, guys, is that we are seeing Bitcoin consolidating, and once we are going to break above this declining resistance, then I think only then Bitcoin can be ready for the next rally, because we have a momentum breakout. But now I want to share another indicator with you. Let me get rid of these drawings from some time ago, just to make the chart a little bit more clean. But these are the Bollinger Bands, right? And the Bollinger Bands are normally showing the volatility of the price, right? And below here, right here, this line is the Bollinger Band width. And the Bollinger Band width is a great indicator to see when the volatility is decreasing, when we might see a next breakout. And let me show you something very interesting, guys, because the Bollinger Band's width right now is at such lows. Well, if I would draw a horizontal line right here, which I'm doing right now, let me get rid of this. Then we can see the last time, guys, the last time we were at these levels, that was right here. If you have a look at the price, that was right before this major rally in the Bitcoin price. And if you have a look at the price action, the price behavior, right here, it's looking quite similar, right? We had the price is moving sideways while the RSI is going down, which is a typical form of consolidation. So the RSI is going down right here, price is moving sideways, people are a little bit bearish right here, the Bollinger Bands are getting smaller and smaller, getting squeezed together, and eventually we are seeing, and this is the awesome thing, guys, so everybody right here in the live stream, I think nobody actually on YouTube talks about it. I'm the only one who's mentioning these patterns normally in the RSI, but here we are seeing the breakout in the momentum already before Bitcoin is actually starting this rally, right? So this is a golden signal which we could be kind of replicating right now, where we have a declining resistance, right? Price is going sideways, RSI is going down, the Bollinger Bands width is at record lows, or at least at lows where we have seen previous rallies started from. So that could be something we are going to see right in the near future. We are going to see Bitcoin break above this, and we are going to see an increase in the Bollinger Bands. Bitcoin just going to break and start a rally to the upside, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. We are going back to the chat, have a look at that, and yeah, what do you guys think? And before, let me share first my Twitter profile. I'm sharing a lot of crypto technical analysis, guys. and pictures, things that I think is going to happen in the chart. We also have a giveaway contest right now going on with Prime XPT. So I want to make sure that everybody is following me over on Twitter. We almost have 1,000 followers, guys. So that would be awesome if we could reach that in the near future, guys. It would be really awesome. Yeah, I think it's worth following. I'm sharing a lot of valuable information. But guys, let me know. We first go to the chat, and afterwards I'm going to share more signals that I'm going to watch in the Bitcoin chart. But this was the first signal. I want to ask you guys what you think about it. Do you think that this price action is looking similar like the price action we have seen right here? And do you think that if we have a look at these indicators that it also looks similar? Actually, yeah, we cannot really deny it, right? Declining resistance, and the Bollinger Band width is actually at same level. So it's looking very similar, right? Pump incoming, me think, Bitcoin Street, I published video just now. Okay, alt season, bull trap, Jerome. Okay, Renee, that's possible. Maybe. I think Bitcoin is looking quite strong. Okay, we got Turkey in the house. Pico says we have topped out. Yeah, we can have a look at that. If you guys want me to have a talk about the Pi cycle top indicator, then we can do that. Next target 70k. Tony Neville, you can read my mind. Next target 70k. That's on my list as well. And I hope I can cross that out in the near future. P cycle is a riddle feed of blah blah blah. Yeah, I think also P cycle is not this time less significant than the previous times. Okay, guys, I see a lot of people talking about the Pi cycle indicator. We are going to have, yeah, we can have a talk about that before we are going further in the Bitcoin charts. So, but first of all, let me get the idea of how many people are in the chat right now and how many people already have liked. Okay, guys, so we have 78 people in the live stream right now, which is awesome, guys. And yeah, make sure for everybody to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then yeah, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon and so on, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. But really make sure to leave a like right now, because that really helps to push this video to a broader audience, right? So that's very important, because we want to share these signals with as much people as possible, right? I'm the whole day in these charts searching for signals, analyzing things, right? And eventually, yeah, we want to help as much people as possible, right? So that is important. That is very important. So let me first have a talk about the Pi cycle indicator, because this was a topic very much discussed. So we get rid of the Bollinger Bands, we get rid of these signals right now, and we go Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. We go to the weekly time frame, and I'm gonna open the Pi cycle top indicator, bam, right here. So we can see we are looking actually at Coinbase. We should be looking at a different chart. So let's go. Yeah, I've opened Coinbase because I have so many drawings on the Bitstamp chart. I have to clean it up sooner or later. But okay, guys. Right now we can see like we have the P cycle tops, right? It's like basically it's two moving averages, and once these moving averages cross, we have a top in the price of Bitcoin. And in the past, this has been very accurate indicator. So every time we've seen the cross, it was the approximate top of the Bitcoin price. Take a sip of the coconut, guys. I need to be dehydrated, of course. So right here in 2013 was very significant. Right here in 2017 was very significant as well. Almost like exactly predicted the top. One thing you have to take in mind, guys, is that this indicator was built after these tops have been formed. So it's not really an indicator which has predicted a top. It's a indicator with backtesting that it worked out predicting the top. So that is something to take in mind. It didn't prove itself yet. And then first of all, what I first want to do with you guys is I want to have a look at these tops which we are seeing right here, and the top we are seeing, potential top we are seeing right now. So this P cycle top 2013. This we call a blow-off top, like a huge accelerated extreme upside and extreme downside. Huge volatility. That is what we call a blow-off top, and is a typical thing what we normally see at the end of the bull market. And let me bring out the volume. Normally when we are seeing such a top right here, bam, we have a spike in the volume. Second top, blow-off top as well. Bam, huge spike in the volume. Right. Then right here, 2017, bam, we have a massive blow off top, right? Super much volatility, one day to another, you know, going up, going down, and also a top in the volume. If we just have a look at the structure of the price right now, guys, we are not even close. This is not looking like the previous tops. We don't see a blow off top. We don't have extreme amounts of volume. So this is already the first thing that I would say, guys. It's this time it's different. You know, I don't like to say this time is different because normally it's not. But yeah, just relying on one indicator for a top is also not a good trading plan, to be honest. But yeah, so just looking at price structure, this is looking very different than the previous tops. Then we go to another website, and this website, I hope you guys know it. It's called lookintobitcoin.com, and here we have a lot of nice charts which I can share with you, and where I can as well share with you how right now things are looking different as well. And I can show you so many charts, actually so many charts right here. This is the P-cycle top indicator. Which one we have? The MFV score. We have the pure multiple as well. Did I already cut that one? Okay, so I'm going, like, all these charts are debunking actually what we are seeing with the P-cycle top indicator. So right here, first chart, 200-week moving average heat map. We are just in this green yellow zone, which is right here, which is also indicating we are not yet at the top concerning the monthly increase of the 200-week moving average. This is just a indicator, okay, created by Plan B, also the creator of a stock to flow model. So this is also showing that the top right here, potential top, I don't think we are seeing a top, but yeah, is not looking like previous tops. Go to the next one, pure multiple. All these tops where the P-cycle multiple hit a top, we were in this red band in the pure multiple. Right now, we are not in the red band yet. So we are not at these extreme levels. We even didn't hit this declining resistance, which I shared over my Twitter. Let me quickly check, guys, if I can share that with you. Let's have a look. Scroll down in my tweets. I shared that some time ago. Let me have a look. Where can we find that? Where we have a nice declining resistance. Yeah, right here, guys. The pure multiple has a awesome declining resistance, and this might be a indicator which can predict the next Bitcoin top. But yeah, as you can see, I've connected the tops of the pure multiple, and we could be topping out, but in the red band, we are getting closer to that level. But yeah, right here as well. The moment we've entered that red band, we still saw a 5-6x in the price. So from 3,000 to 4,000 to 20,000. Take that in mind, right? So it doesn't say anything about the short-term time frame. It doesn't say anything about the short-term time frame. But yeah, guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter to get notified whenever I'm sharing these charts. But yeah, so the pure multiple is looking different than the tops we have seen in 2017 and in 2013. Let's go to the next chart. Stock to flow model, which is actually showing the intrinsic value of Bitcoin based on scarcity, right? I think everybody of you knows stock to flow model. Right now, Bitcoin is at a fair valuation, right? We are trading like close to the red band, which is a fair valuation. Previous tops, also when the Pi cycle indicator hit a top, we were overvalued, we were overextended above this level, which right now we are not, which is again different. Then we got the MVRV score, which is a score which can get the momentum out certain statistics, and right now you can see that the previous tops we have been in the red band, but right now we are as well not in the red band. So yeah, guys, these are a lot of macro charts which are actually debunking the fact that Bitcoin is going to top out right here. I think it's actually looking different, and Bitcoin might be preparing for a next rally. I think that is something we can see. But let's go back to the Bitcoin Coinbase chart where we just were analyzing Bitcoin in the shorter, the daily time frame. Let's get rid of this P cycle top indicator. So guys, that's my opinion, right? Of course, the Pi cycle top indicator can show some significance. It's definitely possible. But if you put all these macro charts next to each other, yeah, I think it's quite insignificant, right? We are seeing all these macro charts actually saying that Bitcoin is not at a cycle top yet. And if one chart, the Pi cycle top indicator, which actually never has been proved, and yeah, if one chart is saying that, I wouldn't put too much significance to that, guys. What do you think? Hello from Miami. Hello, brother. ETH and dominance changed today. Well, we can have a look at that. Bitcoin dominance, please. Okay, let's first have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Let's do that, guys. Let me have a quick look. How many people are on the live stream? We got 79 people in the live stream right now, guys. That is amazing. Make sure for everybody to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, guys. That is super important right now to get as much people into the stream. So really make sure to hit the like button below this video. Then okay, so we got the request, Bitcoin dominance. We can have a look at that. Let's quickly go in the chat. Everybody who wants to say something, type it in the chat. We can have a quick talk before we are going to have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. So I can have a quick sip of my coconut. Chance of it dumping, of course, that chance is always there, but if we have a look at the structure, it's not looking like that. It looks like we are consolidating right now, but guys, it really depends, right? So as long as we are not breaking above this declining resistance in the RSI, I'm going to tell you right now, I don't expect a rally. If coconut is good, yes, you're right, it's really good. I don't expect a rally if we don't break above this declining resistance. So that is really important to say right here. As long as we are trading below it, I expect a consolidation. Maybe Bitcoin going to even seeing some selling pressure. That's what I think, guys. We really need to see that break in the momentum, not only in the RSI, it's also visible in the MACD. Holland waiting for 70,000 BTC. Yes, might be coming soon. Might be coming sooner than you expect. Any insight? Litecoin, Bitcoin. Litecoin, Bitcoin is actually providing a nice opportunity right now. Very nice. We can have a look at that. Definitely. With the new crypto futures market, can it affect the prices just like how gold is manipulated and held down? Well, gold is a different story. It's really a different story. Of course, the markets, futures markets, always have a. I think with these markets and manipulation, this is my opinion, okay, guys? So, is there manipulation and can people manipulate the price? Yes, it can happen, definitely. We have seen it even with DeFi. If people dumping, shorting at the same time, it happens. It can happen. But can manipulation change the trend? No, I don't think so. I'm not convinced about that. But short-term time frame, smaller wicks on the 1 hour chart, that's definitely possible with manipulation. So that is something. That's my opinion. So short-term time frame, wicks to the upside downside, manipulation is possible. But not the general trend. Not the general trend. Will ETF in the US be good or bad for Bitcoin price action? Well, that is actually a good question. I think it's you have contrarian arguments for that. So there are some arguments to say that it's good, some arguments to say it's not good. I would have to dive a little bit. I will want to read a little bit more into that before I'm going to say anything about that. Thank you, Sir Jeroen. Thank you to Juniels. If you have 40k to invest, how would you invest it and when? Good question, of course. I would definitely have the majority in Bitcoin. Like, as most of you guys know, I'm almost like 100% positioned in crypto. I'm just moving between crypto. So right now I have a little bit more alts since the last month, right? Because we've been expecting altcoin season. We have been making huge, nice trades. My Bitcoin portfolio has increased significantly. I wanted to tweet today, like, if you have Blockfolio, everybody has it always on the US dollar valuation. I always have it on the Bitcoin valuation because I always want to look how to make as much Bitcoin as possible, right? That's why we are trading altcoins. So so far that's actually going good. Funding is quite high though. That is an interesting sign. So let's have a look at that. BitMEX funding rate. That's a good sign. It's a good way to look. Because if the funding is quite high, then normally we really need to. We see a retracement of that, and okay. It's not that high. It's not that high. Look, we have seen funding rates of daily 0.32, 33%. So it's not that high right now, guys. It's not that high. But yeah, it is increasing, so good you point that out. Good you point that out. So that means that might be something might be boiling up. We can dive in Bitcoin in the short-term time frame as well. I promise to have a look at the Bitcoin dominance first, so we will do that first. Do you got XRP? No, I don't have XRP. I can hear you from the Netherlands. Yes, awesome. I think every Dutch person who is right now listening to this live stream can hear that I'm from Holland. And if you listen very carefully, you can also hear from which part of Holland I am, which is the eastern part. From it's called Twente. This is what the top looks like. Well, I'm not really. I don't agree with that. Safe moon. Okay, guys, we are going to have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. So let's do that. By request, let's go to the Bitcoin dominance. We have some nice drawings over there. Yeah, so let's get first rid of the Bollinger Bands, and yeah, let's get rid of the volume. Doesn't make sense with the Bitcoin dominance. Let's make a nice line chart. And guys, this is a nice prediction, right? Like these green areas were all the month March, and I've been I don't know how often I've been sharing this, but actually quite a lot. I've been sharing so often on the channel, like all these green periods are representing the month March. We are right now entering March. I'm expecting altcoin season. And since we broke this level, bam, right here, I'm quite heavy positioned into altcoins, and this drop in the Bitcoin dominance can make a significant gain in your Bitcoin holdings. If you are positioned in altcoins, so that's actually looking good. So okay, what's happening with Bitcoin dominance? So what I said in my previous video, and I will have a look at the 4-hour time frame, we'll have a look at it. What I said in my previous video is that we are seeing the RSI bottoming out, right? RSI had hit a low right here, like we have seen previous time right here as well. And what we have seen the previous time is after the RSI hit the low, the Bitcoin dominance continued to go down. But the RSI was going up, creating a divergence, right? Actually indicating a reversal. We don't know when that reversal came, but right here we had a nice neckline, we had a inverse head and shoulders, reversal pattern, we broke out to the upside, boom. And liquidity goes back to Bitcoin. So that was a signal which we could use to spot the reversal in the Bitcoin dominance previous time. But since the RSI bottomed out, we still had a drop of... Let me calculate that from here till here. We still have a drop of 7 to 8%. And guys, a drop of 7 to 8% in the Bitcoin dominance is massive. That is massive for altcoins. Altcoins have a lower market cap. They need less liquidity to pump like higher percentage gains than Bitcoin. So yeah, so a drop of the Bitcoin dominance 7%, 7.5% is just huge. That's just huge. So yeah, I think we might be seeing something like this, where we are seeing the RSI going up, but the Bitcoin dominance still going down. Let me draw what I mean for you guys, so it's clear. So the Bitcoin dominance may be going a little bit like this, and we are seeing the RSI going up, and then right here we maybe form like a W pattern, maybe a inverse head and shoulders pattern, and bam, we go up. We are seeing a reversal, and I actually was hoping like. This also aligns with some support level right there. I actually was hoping, guys, that Bitcoin wait with the rally before we are actually seeing the Bitcoin dominance decrease right here. Liquidity going to altcoins. We still have some altcoin party, right? And that then afterwards Bitcoin going to break, start the next rally, and yeah, boom, off it goes. So when Bitcoin is going to rally, guys, there is a high probability that liquidity goes back to Bitcoin, so that the you don't want to be positioned in altcoins. When Bitcoin is going to rally, most likely Bitcoin dominance is going up. Makes sense, because when the profits are on Bitcoin, people don't want to miss out on that. So yeah, liquidity goes back to Bitcoin, right? Makes sense, right, guys? Sir, you are good. Thank you. Good knowledge. Awesome. FC Twente. Yes, I know that. I love the stadium. Awesome. We are in April already. Yes, that's true. But I've been predicting it in March. and we have seen the decrease already in March. So you wanted to get your positions already in March, right? Right now for alt season, you are actually quite late. If you didn't got any positions like a couple of weeks ago, you still can make profits, but yeah, it was better to be earlier, of course. BNB also nice coin. Yeah, had a huge rally. Yeah, I think it's third on coin market cap, right? Wow, that is crazy, guys. That is really crazy. Yeah, wow, Binance coin is the third on coin market cap. Wow. That is really something, guys. That is really something. Are you full-time crypto? Yes, I'm already full-time crypto since when? I'm in crypto since I got introduced to crypto in 2015, but I'm really serious into crypto 2016. There was one moment in 2016, guys, I got introduced with crypto, and I just went all in on crypto, and I spent every single day. After that day in 2016, I don't know the exact month, but in 2016 somewhere, I just worked every day for crypto, reading books, reading a lot of technology behind certain projects, and then later, after 6 months, because I have a technical background, I have a bachelor degree in Bachelor of Science in computing, creative technology. So that's why I was more into the technology of these crypto projects. But later I really dived into trading and analysis, and that's more where my heart is laying. Right, I really like that. So yeah, and I already trade since 2016. So I'm 5 years active, almost 5 years, almost on a daily basis, active in the crypto markets. So that is my background. Can you look at Bounce Finance auction? Well, we could do that. I think Bitcoin flies to 70k, and then when we get a bigger correction or not. Could you check Stellar Lumen, please? Yeah, we could do that. We got a lot of questions from Ethereum. So yeah, let's first have a look at Ethereum before we are going to Ethereum chart, guys. Wait, let me clean this chart up. Otherwise, next time when I'm recording the video, we have these drawings. Sometimes it's nice because we can see that the price has been following it, but yeah, let's just clear it up. Before we are going to Ethereum though, let me quickly check how many people are on the stream right now. Whoa, we got 218 people in the stream. Wow, that just tripled from the last time I checked. Wow, that is amazing, guys. That's super amazing. If every one of you can scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, that is just super much appreciated, guys. That is really awesome. And yeah, then more and more people can join, and I can share the signal which I've shared at the start of the stream, guys, which is a huge signal which might predict the next Bitcoin rally, and you're gonna be the first one who are going to see Bitcoin actually rally, who gets that signal, because nobody's talking about that, because this is really my style of trading. So I can guarantee you that. So let's have a look at Ethereum in the US dollar comparative. Let's start with US dollar comparative. Let's go to the candle chart right here. What's going on? Okay, so we had a nice, so this is exactly, guys, how we've been predicting Ethereum, right? So exactly, we had a declining resistance right here. We broke the declining resistance to the upside, and this is the nice part, guys. Listen to this. The moment we broke the declining resistance right here. Oh wait, that's on the normal chart. Whoa, that is not what I meant to do. Okay, so the moment we broke the declining resistance right here, guys, that was one day. That is this candle. We had a clear break. This one day before the actual price broke out. So I made a video here, guys, telling to you like Ethereum most likely is going to break out right now. And the reason I know that is because the momentum is seeing a shift. Momentum is breaking out. And that is also what we can use in Bitcoin. So sometimes, and that is nice, because if you can have that confidence in trading, it's easier to trade, right? But right here, we just knew that Ethereum is going to break out due to the signal in the RSI. So that was quite nice. We had a rally, not too much. Let's have a look at the volume. This is the Bitstamp chart though, so don't expect too much volume anyway. But we had a rally. We broke above previous all-time high. The best thing to do was right here. We came back. We flipped previous all-time high into support. Here we had a break below it. It's a little bit choppy. little bit choppy, and we actually wanted to see a bigger reaction right here. So when we are breaking out, like a little bit higher, a little bit more bullishness, so to say. But I personally think that as long as Ethereum is trading above 2,000 US dollar decisively. So this was like a fake out, right? Decisively above $2,000. I think it's looking bullish right now. You can see we've back tested previous resistance as new support. We could see a bounce from this level as well, which means that momentum could back up the bullish price, right? The target of Ethereum of this triangle formation was right here at approximately, well, I can't even see it. Let me do it like this. The target was right here at approximately, let's say, 2,500 US dollar. Definitely some people are going to take profit there. Makes sense, right? Leveraged people also, of course, makes a lot of sense. Let me get a sip of my coconut. So yeah, guys, that's what I think about Ethereum in the US dollar comparative. Let's go to Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. Yeah, actually, so far it's still looking good, I would say. We have been accumulating Ethereum right here. I have been making multiple videos in these regions, telling everybody like we are not yet seeing the firework. Oh, that was my computer freezing. We are not yet seeing the firework right here, but this is the time to accumulate because the price is moving sideways, slightly downwards, and the RSI is going up, which means that bullish momentum is boiling up in the background, and we have to have patience. So right here, I got like quite a big position in Ethereum. I actually got quite a big position, guys, right here, the moment we broke this falling wedge pattern. I didn't took profits right here at the exact top, so I've held it through right here, and right now it's definitely in quite a profit in the Bitcoin comparative, so that is nice. What is it approximately from the breakout right here? We are now like approximately 14% in profit, which is nice if you do it with the bigger chunk of your portfolio, right? And right now the previous resistance at 0.035 Bitcoin is holding support. So far this is actually looking bullish. As long as we are holding above this level, guys, I think that Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative is looking bullish. Next target will be the middle of the channel at approximately right now at approximately 0.041 Bitcoin, and eventually for a overvaluation of Ethereum we want to reach the top of the channel at 0.05 Bitcoin, approximately. So that would definitely be a profit-taking moment for this trade, both the middle or the top, depending what the Bitcoin dominance is doing, right? If Ethereum is going up and we are seeing a reverse on the Bitcoin dominance, then we might already take profit right here. So yeah, guys, make sure if you want to get notified from all these signals, make sure to scroll below this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload those videos about the crypto markets. Then go back to the Bitcoin chart. Let's go quickly back to the chat. Have a look what everybody is saying right here, and might share the signal which we have been seeing in Bitcoin. Right, let's go to the Coinbase chart. It's a little bit more cleaner, yes, a little bit less drawings. That is good. So let's go to the chat. Can you have a look at Litecoin? Yeah, sure. This is already multiple people asking for Litecoin. We can have a look at Litecoin. Actually, Litecoin is presenting a awesome opportunity right here. I think it's not looking that bad. It's not looking that bad. It's looking good. Randomly popped up at my recommended. Awesome, Brian. Like, that is what I'm talking about, Brian. We need this. We need everybody to scroll below this video, hit the like button, listen to Bitcoin Street, because here we got Barry Delinnet, best channel on YouTube. Thank you so much. No, because then it's popping up on other people's screen and they get notified as well, and they can get a hold of these signals as well, because like I said, I'm the whole day diving into these charts, checking all these signals, analyzing, sharing my knowledge with you, and I want to share that with as much people as possible, especially when we are right now seeing so much concentration on Bitcoin. I want to help as much people as possible with the knowledge that I have, and to help everybody I really need to reach as much people as possible in the immediate short-term future, because we are in the midst of a bull market, right? So it's important to get my message out there. So guys, that would be awesome if everybody scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That's awesome. And yeah, make sure to subscribe as well. XLM please. Yeah, we can do that. Let me first. Yes, I'm Dutch. I am Dutch. All the Dutchies, they can recognize that. Okay, guys, let's first go to Litecoin and the Bitcoin comparative. And let me take one sip of my coconut just to get a little bit yeah. Boy, that's really good. That's really good. Okay, so normally when we have a look at Litecoin, for example, these altcoins they have like they are quite choppy, right? Look at this. Wow, wick to the upside, wick to the downside. Even on the daily time frame, it's quite choppy. It's just because there's less liquidity in altcoins. So for everybody trading leverage altcoins, really watch out. I would not recommend trading leverage on altcoins. Yeah, you can, maybe on Ethereum could do sometimes if you're really sure about the trade, like the breakout trade we did last time on the channel, right? I did the trade there. But yeah, normally these altcoins you don't want to do with leverage because this is just so much volatility. It's very sloppy. So if you are seeing this sloppy price action, it's difficult to analyze, right? So what we do, we zoom out. We go to the weekly time frame. And let's click right here, auto, bam, and we have a weekly time frame. So what we are seeing right here is actually very interesting, and that is that Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative has seen a huge capitulation. From the top right here in 2018, we have been coming down like bam, like we have been coming down 86%, and right now we are still down 85%. So that is nice. Normally to pick up altcoins, I want to see altcoins who have 80-90% corrections against Bitcoin, and then I would like to get my position. And right now what we are seeing is the first reversal signs on the weekly time frame. So we have a nice reversal right here. We had it in 2018, right? We are setting lower lows in the price, higher lows in the RSI at a oversold conditions, and eventually we had a rally from the touch to the top of approximately 170% in the Bitcoin comparative. Awesome, right? That's nice. And right now we are seeing something similar. We are coming from oversold territory. We are creating a uptrend in the momentum indicator, and in the price we did the opposite. But right now we might be seeing the first signals of that reversal, right? We don't have a confirmation yet. Like if you really want to be sure about a reversal, you want to like really break above a certain level and make a higher low, basically, right? I think it is already looking quite good. Like we have also this in the RSI. Looks like we are breaking some. Whoa, that's not what I meant to do. Looks like we're breaking some form of momentum. So yeah, that is. I think Litecoin right here is presenting us a opportunity in the Bitcoin comparative. Take in mind, guys, this is the weekly time frame, so it's not. We can see choppy price action daily time frame. We can like increase, decrease 10% a day, right? We are seeing very choppy price action. This is a more medium-term, long-term perspective, right? So really the alt season in a bull market where I'm talking about. Okay, guys, let's go to Bitcoin in the US dollar comparative just to have a look what's happening there. Okay, we are just trading right now 58,500. And yeah, for the people that just jump in, I want to share a signal right here which we are seeing in Bitcoin, which might predict the next major rally, guys. Okay, so right here we have the Bollinger Bands, which are showing the volatility of the price of Bitcoin, and right now the Bollinger Bands are squeezing tight together. But what did I do? Below here we have this blue line, and this is the width of the Bollinger Bands. So the higher the width of the Bollinger Bands, the higher this line is. The lower the width, so the more the Bollinger Bands are squeezed together, the lower this line is. And right now we are at low levels, where the previous times we were at these levels, guys, look at this. We were right before this major rally in the Bitcoin price. So that is something quite remarkable, because the price action right now is actually looking quite similar as the price action we are seeing right now. And let me share the other signal, which I'm going to share a couple of more signals right here. So then we have another signal right here. Here we were consolidating to sideways, but the RSI was going down, creating a declining resistance. The moment we broke that declining resistance, bam, that was the moment we started this major rally. Right here we do something similar. Prices going sideways, RSI is going down. The moment we break that declining resistance, bam, we can start a huge rally. So that is good, right? That is looking quite similar. So that's why I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin. However, we have to look at we have to zoom a little bit in about what's happening. So let's do that on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, we have a nice neckline right here. This neckline, guys, is aligning with a very important level. Sometimes even more important than the 61.80% golden ratio. And it is the 78.60%. So yeah, as long as Bitcoin is trading below the 78.60%, it's not yet looking bullish. It's just consolidating, right? I think the moment we can break above this level and this level flips support, bam, that would be very bullish for Bitcoin, because it's also looking like a neckline, kind of neckline. We got tested this level now so many times and we got rejected. So it makes sense that if we break this level decisively, we are going to see Bitcoin starting a new rally if we are seeing that declining resistance in the RSI as well breaking out, right, on the daily time frame. So make sure to I'm talking all these signs in the different time frames, right? So make sure to be aware of that, guys. And yeah, I'm going to monitor this closely. I'm going to share that on my daily video uploads. So guys, for everybody who's interested in what I think is going to happen with the Bitcoin price, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I'm having these market updates, which are actually daily. Lately, I also share other knowledge I have from the market, so not only technical analysis, also other knowledge, sentiment analysis, or my experience, what I had in my previous bull market. And guys, that's actually worth gold, I have to be honest, because I don't know if most of you have experienced 2016 and 17 bull market. You guys have a major, but I mean a major advantage of the rest of the markets who didn't have that experience, guys. Because the thing is, if you've been through this rally right there, guys, you already know, you emotionally a lot stronger. You can see through the narrative. A lot of people have a problem looking through the narrative. They always believe the news, which is not a good thing if you are investing. But you can look through the narrative and you can as well anticipate and know which charts to watch. So I think it's very important, guys. If you haven't been through this bull market, or even though if you have been, guys, but you want to get a better knowledge about the cryptocurrency markets, then I would definitely recommend everybody to sign up for my cryptocurrency course. I've created a very good trading course, which is almost talking about any signal in the markets, and it's especially designed for you to create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy. Right now you can still enroll with a discount of $100 if you use the code blockchain100 with checkout. I will write it here in the chat. If you use the code blockchain100, you can get a $100 discount for my trading course till the 18th of April, which is not that long anymore, right? So if you guys are interested in that, I would definitely recommend you to do that. You can find more on the www.theblockchain.com. So that's where you can have a look. Bitcoin may never go below 50k again. Well, that's possible. Switch to laptop camera. Let's see the coconut. Yeah, well, I think I could open QuickTime Player quickly. And you guys, it's a little bit dark right here. You guys don't know me normally, but sometimes when I'm too long behind the screen, I'm wearing glasses to protect my eyes. But this is the coconut. I hope you can see it clearly. I have a nice straw. The good thing about the coconut is that it's even cold, so I put it in the fridge, which is very nice, guys. Okay, so I will close this one again. Let's go back to the chat. When Bitcoin topped out, Bitcoin topped out. I think, and I'm going to make a huge speculative bet right here. I think Bitcoin is going to top out this year. It's also a broad bet. And I'm also going to tell you guys, I'm not I'm not relying on one scenario. I'm not relying on the scenario of plan B that Bitcoin is only can go to 300,000 US dollar. I have multiple scenarios in mind where I'm going to base my exit strategy on. Yeah. Yes, Coconut. He a digital nomad. Yeah. Kind of actually. What's your prediction on auction tokens? Sorry, I don't have much knowledge about it. Do you use Fibs? Well, if you know my videos, I use a lot of Fibs. Yes, Fibonacci is one of my one of the main things I'm using in my analysis, especially for Confluence. For Confluence, it's very important to use Fibs. So right now I just use a flip. I just use the flip. No, right now I'm also using a Fibonacci level right here, the 78.60%, which is super significant. Super significant if you look at certain topping patterns or consolidation levels. Right here as well, right here, bam, 78.60%. The moment we broke that level, boom, Bitcoin continue its uptrend. So yeah, 78.60%, especially lately, guys. Sometimes even looks more significant than the 61.80%. Can you look at the chart, please? Which chart? Amazing. Okay, guys. Okay, well, how many people we have in the stream right now? I'm quite curious. So we got 270 people in the stream, guys. That is awesome. Really nice to have every one of you here. And yeah, make sure for everyone to subscribe down below. Make sure to follow me over on Twitter. Let me share my Twitter handle right here in the chat, because I'm sharing a lot of technical analysis on Twitter. And sometimes when I'm created a daily upload and I have some other signals I want to share which I forgot in the daily upload, which can happen sometimes, I'm sharing that over on Twitter. And actually, wow, this tweet is quite nice. I just love how ancient civilizations were communicating significant Bitcoin levels through their architecture. So if you most know, like this architecture of the pyramids in Giza are often based, like ancient architecture is often based on Fibonacci levels, which is as well what we are using in the Bitcoin price. And I just love these ancient societies, ancient civilizations. I'm doing a lot of research into them. It's one of my hobbies next to trading. I'm reading a lot of books about these things. I love it. Really love it, guys. So guys, what I'm going to do one more chart, and then I'm going to have to go back to my girlfriend. Otherwise, I'm getting into a fight because of course she thinks that I'm too much busy with crypto. So yeah, let's do one more chart, guys, and I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to celebrate Friday night right here. Great update, Jeroen. Thank you. It's my first time watching your show and I'm really enjoying it. Thank you very much. Wow, thank you, Evelyn. That is really awesome to hear. Holo Chain, Binance Coin, average divergence on daily starting on 13, pretty close to pop right now. Could bring us to real breakout point you pointed out. Yes, I think so. So yeah, let's have a look at what we do. Okay, let's have a look at yes, like. Yeah, I have to find these memes, guys. I have to find these crypto memes. Like my girlfriend was showing me this meme, like making a joke to me that I'm the guy. Like you see, like this girl being tied up in bed, like a little bit romantic, and then the girl is saying to the guy like, "Oh, I'm now tied up. You can do whatever you want." And then the guy is like, okay, and then he goes back to the computer and he's going to analyze and look at the Bitcoin price, which I thought was actually quite funny. So okay, guys, we're gonna, well, after the one you get, my girlfriend is really supportive, really one of the best things in my life. Fee chain, okay, quickly, okay, we go Holo. Let's first go Holo. We got that, we do Holo BTC, of course. Let me check. Holo Bitcoin. What's going on right here? Oh, actually, we have done some analysis right here. So yeah, personally, guys, when I'm seeing something like this, it's for me not interesting to enter. So right here, when we broke out, This was a moment to enter. Bam, at the breakout or at the retest. Right now we had a rally of 1000%. And we are right now up 680% of that 1000%. So yeah, personally for me, guys, I always look, like as most of you guys know, my risk is I want to have a low risk. So I'm really looking at opportunities where the market conditions are in my favor. And when I'm looking at this chart, market conditions are, yeah, right now not in my favor. But if you are positioned in this, or if you are bullish on this and you want to get a position, then yeah, I would, depending on how bullish you are, of course, I would have my buy orders at the 50 or 61.80%. And if you don't really care that much, then you can always have some buy orders at the 78.60%. But yeah, the Fibonacci levels, especially after such a pump, are going to be your best friend, your best comrade in this analysis. Then guys, let's have a look at VeChain as well. So I'm doing even 2 charts before we go. Oh, don't get a fight now. So VeChain, yeah, VeChain is looking, yeah, a little bit similar. Like it's bullish, right? We have a important resistance we are testing right now, so I wouldn't be jumping in right now. I think personally there are better opportunities. There are better opportunities. So right here we had a nice uptrending support. This could be a nice accumulation zone. And this was a nice breakout to trade. This was maybe a nice recatch. I think we even did that right here on the channel. I've talked about that. And I think that there is some potential. There's a lot of potential for VeChain in this bull market. But yeah, I just want, when I'm trading altcoins, I want to have the perfect entry. I don't want to enter a altcoin after a run. Yeah, I just think there are better options than, you know, maybe for short-term trades is good, but really for the altcoin backs, I really want to get the nice entry points. To be honest, okay guys, that is going to be it for today's live stream. Let's see how many people we have. We have almost 200 people, guys. It was a awesome time with you here. Let me say that first. So thank you very much for being here live with me. I had an awesome time. Make sure, guys, to really follow me over on Twitter, like this video, like the live stream, subscribe to the channel, super important. If you want more of my content and you really want to get more in-depth view of the markets and want to get a better understanding on how you can trade profitably, you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course with right now still a $100 discount ending at the 18th of April. Yeah, guys, I want to thank every single one of you. I wish all of you an amazing weekend, and I will see every single one of you in the next video. Okay, guys, take it easy.